On Saturday, members of various organizations that include the Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association, Meghalaya Bouncers Association, the Bethany Society, the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society and others came together to publicly announce through a press conference the upcoming Shillong Arm Fight 2022 that is scheduled to start on the 11th March 2022 at the waging tournament at Malki Ground, while the main event will be held at Usosotham Auditorium. The president of the Meghalaya Bouncers Association, Junstar Kharbuli, informed that the tournament will be conducted in 3 categories that include featherweight, lightweight and heavyweight. Participants from across the 8 northeastern states will be taking part in the tournament, where cash prizes will be awarded to all winners in each category. Kharbuli also added that the intention of the tournament is to carry the name of Shillong through the trophy that may be won by participants from other states as well.
Ngin sedang kadway terik ka badai ka waging day kan deh mute po Malki Ground kan baka event day nadu ka por sipo baje tek ngin sedang hapo auditorium hall
Terhilang kan betai kanu kita
namar ba ngi aya ka cash prize ngi mla ban penbuan ni ki kategori ngi la shu ai no tang lai tali ki kategori ha ka ba ngi ai san pesan cepo ki bangi ai kerteng ka featherweight atas new pesan cepo ngi ai kerteng da ka lightweight but new pesan cejrong ngi ai kerteng da ka heavyweight ki cash award prize each category ngin ai be ka song tengka ka baspo hajar yu nong job bawan baar ngin ai ka song tengka ka pesan hajar but ya uta u strongest arm dan ni ulak du nak kilak du ngin ai ka song tengka ka ba hajar kata ka kentup bat kentai ku chinrang ka Shillong am fight ni kwa ru ban spot ya ka kerteng Shillong hakni ka ri India jungi ulak ban job le se ko mashuong na Shabah nomor kin bun ki top player kin wan ila ban job ya ni ka thong dei kinum job ta kanunu ka kerteng ila ban job be da ka kerteng Shillong am fight dan Shillong strongest arm katahi nga try kan pensuk tiet dan ni katahi kan pensawa ya ka kerteng Shillong ha ka babaro kinang tip tang baka dei kari ko bahek slap ni kentip baki dandu kijin lakai ki kum ka amsin ka bangi yit kum kari be it ni Shillong